Hi, the dance is called Vanotek Cha, choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It's a 64 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, half mountain turn to your right. Point, half turn, point, cross, back, together, walk forward, right, left, anchor step, behind, recover, back. Section 2, foot turn to your left. Half turn, side, sha, say, cross rock, recover, side, sha, say. Section 3, Hawaiian count, together side, Hawaiian count, together quarter turn to your right, stepping forward, step, pivot half turn to your right, step, lock, step. Section 4, kick and touch forward, step, lock, step, step, pivot half turn to your left, quarter turn to your left, side, sha, say. Section 5, rock back, recover, side rock, recover, cross, back, side, cross, shuffle. Section 6, side rock, recover, quarter turn to your right, step, lock, step, foot turn to your left, half turn, side rock, recover, cross. Section 7, to your left diagonal, 730, rock forward, recover, behind, side, cross. To your right diagonal, facing 1030, rock forward, recover, behind, quarter turn to your left, forward, forward. Last section, step, pivot half turn to your right, half lock step back, quarter turn to your right, side, cross, quarter turn to your right, back, rock back, recover, forward, together, and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. In this dance, there is a restart on wall 5. You will dance 32 and count, then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 5 with counts, starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. This is the end of 32 and count. Now restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.